Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I will share with you another video about how never to be sick again. There are some things you need to understand. And you will see it's easy to be healthy. Just try as well as you can. Doesn't matter how long it will take. Don't try to go faster than your capacity. So go ahead. So, first you should try intermittent fasting. Sorry, but you will regret not knowing intermittent fasting before. It's the best and cheaper way to get a healthy life. You will never be sick again. Many of your illnesses will disappear. Even if I explain, you will never understand the benefits of intermittent fasting until you will try yourself. But what is it? Intermittent fasting is a strategy for meal timing scheduling. What? It is a time-restricted feeding. Involves eating only during a certain number of hours each day. You can, for example, skipping a meal. The famous 16-8 diet are an example. But, wait a moment, it is important to know that you can drink water all the time when you fasting. Now, you should know that intermittent fasting is effective for weight loss, decrease insulin resistance and fasting insulin, and may improve cardiovascular and metabolic health, and more. That's why many of your illnesses will disappear, but don't try to go faster than your capacity. You need just to start gradually. Many people in the world try intermittent fasting. But how you can start? Choose the meal you can escape. Or just try to have breakfast later and later each day. Or wrapping up your dinner earlier than yesterday. Even if I explain, you will never understand the benefits of intermittent fasting until you will try yourself. Fasting is the most effective way to trigger autophagy. What is autophagy? Autophagy, meaning self-devouring. It is the natural, regulated mechanism of the cell that removes unnecessary or dysfunctional components. It allows the orderly degradation and recycling of cellular components. Although initially characterized as a primordial degradation pathway induced to protect against starvation, it has become increasingly clear that autophagy also plays a major role in the homeostasis of non-starved cells. Effects in autophagy have been linked to various human diseases, including neurodegeneration and cancer, and interest in modulating autophagy as a potential treatment for these diseases has grown rapidly. For more efficiency, you should try to eat keto diet. As I say, just try progressively. If you can't, you can just try to reduce sugars and carbs. Try to replace sugar. If there are one things you should hardly try is to avoid completely sugar. You can replace it with honey. But what is keto diet? The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, adequate protein, low-carbohydrate diet that in medicine is used mainly to treat hard-to-control epilepsy in children. The diet forces the body to burn fats rather than carbohydrates. Intermittent fasting and ketogenic diet are important to trigger autophagy. Ketosis, a diet high in fat and low in carbs, brings the same benefits of fasting without fasting.